Hello, there's a saying that what go into the body make the body look fresh and nice. That is why we always bring you guys local dishes. If you want your body to look beautiful and then fresh, please, I'll urge you to eat local dishes. Today is another amazing day. We go eye angle. We are here to prepare another dish called Yam Konkonte, and then we are going to enjoy it with and cut some coin. Please guys, you will love it. It's very easy to prepare at home. Then you are not going to waste much time. You just prepare it within some 1 hour or 30 minutes. You are done with it. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video for us. Then you also press the notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you should be the first person to get the notification. We love you guys. Please guys, I'll be back to introduce my ingredients. Then we start cooking. Hello, welcome back. We are to introduce our ingredients, then we start cooking. I hope you guys will be with me whilst I'm introducing my ingredients. So let's start. We have our main ingredients which we are going to use to prepare Yam Konkonte. We have our yam powder, which is known as bayre powder. That's what we are going to use for our Yam Konkonte. Then we have our chicken and then beef. We'll be using it for our granule soup. Then we have our granule paste too. That's what we are going to use for the soup. We have our granule paste nicely. Then we have our pepper, which we are going to use to prepare our soup. Then we also have our fresh tomatoes with okra. We'll be using them to mix with the granule paste for the granule soup. Then I have onions, nicely washed, big size, which I'm going to use to prepare my soup. Then I have my shrimp powder, which I will use to steam my meat as my ingredients. Then I also have my ginger. Then I have my garlic, which I'll be adding to the shrimp powder to steam my meat. Then I have my crab, which I'll be adding to it. So I can't prepare granule soup without smoked fish. So I have my smoked fish, which I'll be adding to the meat to prepare my soup. Then I also have some seasoning powder, which I'll be adding as well. Then in all, I have my salt to give me taste. So please guys, don't go nowhere. Just wait at the corner whilst I'm cooking, and can also join me to help me to cook. So let's start cooking. Hello, at this moment we are going to put our vegetables on fire to steam it before we blend it. So if you are going to prepare granule soup, which is nkatinkwan, and you want oil to be on top, so you have to mash it like this to get the oil. So that's why I'm doing it like this. You mash it to get oil. So after mashing it, then you add water to it. Then you put it on fire. Now I've added water to it. So you mash it like this to make it liquid before you put it on fire to steam it. So now I'm done with the mashing, so it's now on fire. You will stir it till it cooks. So you have to stir it like this. You need not to leave it on fire and go. If you leave it on fire and go without stirring it, it will get burnt. When it gets burnt, the soup will be bitter. So you have to turn it, you stir it till it's ready, and you stop. Now our it on fire. We have to add our ingredients to it and steam it. So this is my blended ginger and onion. Then my chopped onions, my shrimp powder, my salt to give me taste, now my seasoning powder, another one to steam the meat, so now we are to wait for it to steam itself. Hey, hello. Now our meat is on fire, boiling, cooking. So I'm waiting to add my granule paste to it. My steamed granule paste to it. So very soon my soup will be ready. We are now adding our blended vegetables to it. Now we have to add our granule paste to it. So our soup will be ready very soon. So we'll leave it on for some 5 minutes or 10 minutes, then we'll call it off. Now our water is on fire to cook our Yam Konkonte. So when the water boils, then we'll start cooking. So you leave it on for it to boil before. Now the water is ready, so we have to add our yam flour, which is Yam Konkonte powder to it. Then we cook. So Hello, thank you for cooking with us. Now our food is ready, so we are going to dish it out. Our Yam Konkonte is ready, then our Yam Konkonte is ready. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share the video for us. Then you also press the notification bell. Then whenever we post video, you should be the first person to get the notification. We love you guys being with us. As we are waiting for you guys to come and join us, let me use this opportunity to dish it out. So wow, the aroma alone is killing me here. So we are serving.
Guys, and then come in local language. What you say? Jacob na dino. But 10 years, minya oba obenu adwane say bia dey amma me. Be 57 50 go angle for a share ideas together. Me call mo page ne so me ne am kasa mo invite me ma me baby no. Charlie, who say adwane wo fie. Local foods e wo fie. Into bia make sure say mo be follow no ma subscribe ya ma angle eye angle. No mo adwane dia you one in time. E do twem. Madame Assé.
Hello, c'est ma première fois de venir aujourd'hui inviter ma soeur. Je suis venu d'après elle. Ils ont préparé les yam et le manioc avec une sauce. Et j'ai goûté un peu, c'est doux. Je remercie aujourd'hui ce que la soeur a préparé. C'est vraiment tellement doux. C'est vraiment tellement doux. Merci.
It feels very delicious. This is my first time visiting them now, to be frank with you. I like the food, I'm enjoying it. Please go to their page and look for the local food. Oh, it's very delicious. I like it and I'm enjoying it. So please don't forget to subscribe or like. Have you seen it?
As I told you guys from the initial stage that what go into the body make the body beautiful and then nice. So please Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and you can also try this kind of food in your house and see how it tastes. Please follow the steps, then you cook some in your house. You will see how delicious the food is. Eagle eye angle.